Howdy, Two-Stroke Salt Lake here. We're just working on this Ruesch that's...
Yellow Jacket Racing?
Yeah.
Salt Lake City, Utah. 801-633-9867.
Yeah, what he said. Here's radio installed. You know all the facts. You were the one that installed it. I wasn't here at the moment.
Yeah, you lazy union bitch. Little Craig Morgan bonfire. See what else we got. Some Jackal lumberjack. It's a lot louder in real life than on the shitty camera we're using.
This radio setup is so nice when you're going down the trail.
$50 amp bought off eBay. Light stuff. Some speakers from my local Checker O'Reilly Auto Parts store. I'm going to replace those at a later date with two new kickers in the front, two kickers in the back, and a bigger amp.
Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know, where sweet tea began my homemade wine.
Sounds really good. See what else we got here for you guys to hear.
The bass.
Yeah, really good bass for a little $20 set of speakers that we just had lying in the shop. Some Roger Miller. Some John Denver.
Your life on the farm is kind of laid back, ain't much an old country bullock me can't hack. Early to rise, early in the side. Thank God I'm a country.
That's it. Remember, Yellow Jacket Racing and Two-Stroke with Salt Lake. Thank you.